Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. And today we are gonna start a new series which is about the tidbits of video editing, and our first episode is about the audio and video sync. So one of my viewers, who is Harshit, thank you Harshit for subscribing first of all, and he asked me about how to sync the audio and video separately. So I will show this now. And before that, I want all of you to please hit that like button. So let's begin. Okay, so here we are in the Premiere Pro and we'll just open a project named Audio Sync. I just created it right now. It was not being recorded, I don't know why. But yeah, I just created it and I have two media files which I need to improve. And first thing that I need to import, it's not in order, so you can follow anything. So this is the part one that I have recorded as my audio part. So I will import this one first and then I will move on to the video part, I think, which I have kept in D probably. Yeah, so it's kept here. So this is the part one of the video. So these are two sample videos about this microphone. I did a review of this. If you want to know it about it, please go and watch my video, which I will link somewhere up here in the I button. This right up here, and I will just put the video as well. So here we go, and I recorded it with a clap, so that brings up the spike in the audio waveform, and that will help us to sync the audio better. So I will just play it a bit so that we can see it. So here we have the clap and the audio spike that we need on this audio clip, which is a separate one that has been directly recorded on my PC with the mic that I was using, and this is the audio file that is being recorded by the camera of my mobile phone. So I will just have to find the clap in here. So I will just mute this part and I will look for the clap spike up here. I think it's right here. Yeah, so I just need to sync this spike with this one, and the whole audio and the video gets synced. So I will just cut it around this length, I would think. A bit more. You can be really precise here, so I will just zoom in a bit into the timeline and I will just cut this part, and I hope it gets synced. I hope it's done now. Yeah, it's almost done. You can be a bit more precise here, but yeah, for me this pretty much works. So if I play this now and mute the audio that was being recorded by my phone, you have to see that the audio has been synced. So hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and as you can see, the audio has been synced from the video and the audio part, and like this you can sync it. But before that you have to make sure that you clap before recording, because it makes your job pretty much easy, since you just need to find this spike where you need to sync the audio. So this is so easy to sync up an audio and a video, and if you want later you can either mute this and leave it while exporting, or you can just unlink this thing and just delete these audio files if you want, since this video has been synced with the audio. So that was it for the video, guys. If you do like the video, please give this video a thumbs up and smash that like button. If you're new on the channel, please subscribe with that red button and turn it into gray, and turn on the notifications for further update. See you, bye bye, and have a great day.